I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and snapping a string line to define the fence plane. This gives you straight alignment. Once set, mark post centers at 6-8 FT intervals and confirm gate locations. Call 811 or local utility service to locate buried utilities before you dig. Next, dig pilot holes with an auger or shovel to the proper depth, typically 1/3 of post length plus 6 in of gravel. Make sure your tools and concrete are staged nearby so you can work efficiently. Begin by placing 3-4 inches of gravel in the hole to promote drainage. This prevents rust at the base. Position the metal post and use a level to plumb it in 2 directions. Brace with 2x4 so it stays vertical. Mix and pour concrete, filling to ground level and troweling a slight slope away to shed water. Once the concrete is poured, recheck, plumb, and leave braces in place until the concrete cures to the manufacturer's specified strength. This ensures a true, durable line. After the concrete cures, begin attaching panels or rails to the posts, starting at one end so you can keep consistent spacing. Use corrosion-resistant hardware and torque to firm but not overstress the metal. Once panels are hung, check for level and adjust with shims or by loosening fasteners slightly. Then tighten. Seal any drilled holes or scratches with rust inhibitor paint to protect the metal. Troubleshooting tip: if a post leans after curing, loosen surrounding panels. Replumb the post with wrenches or jacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.